Hi guys, Bleeder here. So today I have another Spyro video, but I would really recommend you watch the last video if you're interested in the tools that I've been using to produce these videos because they're now publicly available, open source, free on GitHub. But today I'm going to show you a little demo that I have under the release tab. It's the same place that you download the build if you don't want to compile it yourself, up here under the initial release tag. But down here I've got Dark Hollow's demo. So if you just click on this, it'll download like that. But I've already got it downloaded and unzipped. So let's go ahead and run it and see what it is. So some of you might have picked up by now, but this is my favorite level. Oh boy, that's kind of loud. I don't know if you're still going to be able to hear me. There we go. This is my favorite level from Spyro 1. I just remember it when I was a kid. It was one of the first levels in the home world. It was one of the major levels on the demo disc, because you can only access, I think, 2 worlds on the demo disc, or one of the PlayStation demos disc series. I can't remember what it was called. There's a lot of games on there. But yeah, it might look a little choppy, but that's because I'm recording. It's very, very smooth, and it's only, if I were to turn off the screen spacing and occlusion, it would only be 5 draw calls. I really think it's a fault in Unity that it has to do a draw call, even when meshes are batched for depth normals and the depth texture or whatever. But there's nothing I can do with that. I've already bitched and complained on the forums about that. And Unity tells me, hey, Unity 2018 is coming out. Why don't you fix it yourself with the scriptable rendering pipeline? That's what they told me on Twitter. I was kind of disappointed with that response. I don't really think that should be the case, but whatever. Just download Dark Hollows and check it out. It's really nice to see the it's just nice to see the level and be able to move around in it in Unity. It's also got light maps. You probably can't really tell in this level compared to the Artisan's Homeworld, but that's actually why there's that little seam there. There's actually a few shadows here. It's very tough to tell. It does actually blend in kind of well with the vertex lighting that they essentially try to paint. It does look pretty nice. I could probably hop into the editor and show you. Oh, I haven't baked it in the editor again because I've made some changes. So yeah, you can actually tell if you go through this object. There's actually some shadows under there, and they do actually protrude. Right here, you can see that. That's actually not the vertex colors or the lighting, that's an actual baked shadow. So that's pretty cool. That's sort of what you gain from Unity. You can also gain a lot of other things. I just haven't gone to the point of implementing them yet. But yeah, so go ahead and download this demo. It's free. Just the Unity build is like 18 megabytes. So thanks for watching, guys. Go check out those tools. You can bring in any map. I think it probably also works for Spyro 2 and 3. I'll check later. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.